Providing an optimal clinical experience requires a reliable fleet of medical technology. This can be achieved with a successful maintenance program. Ensuring every system is available and up to date is important for uninterrupted patient care. Managing this effort across your organization can be a challenge. Philips Multivendor Services goes beyond the traditional reactive break-fix approach, providing original equipment manufacturer quality and performance across all medical equipment, delivered through a vendor-agnostic solution from a trusted advisor. Engaging multiple suppliers through separate service agreements can be burdensome and inefficient. We take a holistic approach for asset management and maintenance, allowing you to benefit from predictable cost savings, service standardization and accountability, reduced staff pressures, enhanced access, and reliability of service. We help you gain the operational and financial insight you require by providing a variety of flexible maintenance plans to support your business needs. You'll enjoy fast access to high-quality parts, in-depth clinical and technical training, and robust asset planning and optimization services in combination with performance management solutions. Access to centralized and standardized asset data provides accurate service record information, enabling actionable insights for detailed performance reporting, regulatory compliance, data security, and quality control. KPIs allow performance to be measured to ensure a guaranteed level of service. Philips Multivendor Services is a transparent, fixed cost savings solution leading to financial clarity and improved long-term asset lifecycle management. By partnering with Philips as your trusted advisor, you achieve operational, clinical, and financial control, which empowers you to focus on delivering an optimal clinical experience.